Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a talking anime character. I'm sure that you have definitely saw these characters on YouTube before. So let's create together. First of all, you need to import a background. You can download the background from Pexels or pixabay.com, or you can use the Canva as well. Now, after downloading the background, you need an anime character. I have already downloaded an anime character, but I will tell you how to make an anime character. So first of all, you need to go to the leonardo.ai. This is a AI image generator software. You can make account on it. Now after making an account on it, now you can use the chat GPT to make a good prompt. So I will write after few seconds the chat GPT will create a good prompt for me. I will copy this prompt and paste it to this image generator. Then click generate. It will take few seconds. Okay, it has make 4 pictures for us. I have already created these pictures before. Okay, in this way you can create an anime character. Now you can download any picture like this and go to the remove background website. It will remove the background. Now here you can upload the image and it will remove the background completely. You can download the image. Now go back to the Capcut and import this picture as well. Here is our picture. Now I have now 2 characters. You can also use this new character. Make this character up in the timeline and just adjust its size like this. Or like this. Now you can add the talking mouth, green screen talking mouth. I have already downloaded or imported. You can also download it from the Google directly. Just go to the Google and write green screen talking mouth, and here are the videos and pictures of the talking mouth. We need the video, so you can download any video from there. I have already imported the video. Go back to the Capcut and select the talking mouth screen above to the image. Make sure all the videos are equal to each other. Now select this talking mouth and go to the remove background. Here is the chroma key. Turn on the chroma key and select the color picker and drag to select the color. Reduce its size and adjust it according to the mouth of the girl. And here you go. In this way you can create a talking character of any type. Now I will show you how to create the character that I have already chosen for myself. Select this character, make it above to the background video and make it equal to the other video. Then select this talking mouth, green screen. Make it to place above all the videos. Adjust its size and just simply select this video, go to the remove background and choose the chroma key. Select the color picker and drag to select the color. Here's the final result. In this way, you can make the talking mouth in a very easy way. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.